What's going on, world? You already know this. I'm giving you a real exclusive before we go in. For those of y'all don't know me, I'm Abraham. I'm not even gonna call myself DJ Master right now because it's a humbling experience. God has taken me a long way, and to be honest with you, if it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be here today. I want y'all to just experience this journey with me as I take this walk with Christ, and just stay tuned because I'm about to get baptized. Love y'all, man. God is love.